Did you know that cavities are the most common chronic disease for young people between the ages of 6 to 19 years old? In fact, more than half of adolescents aged 12 to 19 have had a cavity in at least one of their permanent teeth. Due to the high prevalence of cavities in both children and adults, the need for dental treatment is clear. Metal or composite fillings are commonly used to treat cavities. However, it's important to know that fillings do not last forever. How to know it's time to replace your fillings. Your dentist will recommend replacement of your existing fillings if there is a problem, like you have developed a new cavity or bacterial contamination under the edge of an existing filling, your filling is cracked, your tooth structure surrounding the existing filling is cracked. Modern fillings made of composite resin have greatly improved the appearance and functionality of our teeth over the past several decades. Compared to metal fillings, composite fillings offer a natural appearance available in a wide array of tooth-colored shades to match your natural smile. Call us to discuss your options to update your old fillings or treat a cavity today.